I just wanted to add a few words about the comments made by our friend Professor Martin. Well, I always believed, and I look at him, that he is a Muslim person. This is neither Muslim nor Christian, because the context is that Wilfred Cantwell Smith, the great authority on Islam, he writes that I cannot say in Arabic lastu bi Muslim, because when you say in Arabic Muslim, you say that I am a submitter to God. And to my knowledge, my friend Professor Martin is a submitter person. So he is very much within the fold of the Ummah. And this is how we look at people with same mission and with same zest for doing good for others. So in that case, Professor Martin, I disagree, but I think this is how I look at you and people, many people like you. Muslim is not just an identity, it is an attitude of submission to God. And whosoever acquires that identity is a Muslim. But if you take a Muslim name and by attitude you are disobeying God, I mean you are not representing the essence of Islam. Another point I just wanted to add that this August gathering, this is very important and very unique, very wonderful morning, because today we have discussed Dr. Hamid Al-Basri, and OIC has sent his high-profile envoy to the Aligarh Muslim University. I always believed, and I said it many a time, on many occasions, on many forums, that Organization of Islamic Cooperation has no meaning without the representation of the largest Muslim population of the world. Unofficially the largest Muslim population, and officially the CPECAMI. Oh, Indian Muslims are not represented on the OIC. Of course, OIC will have no meaning. Thank God that OIC has sent its high-profile envoy to us, and this will, inshallah, in the years to come, will connect us with that world body.